Good afternoon. This is call number 2021-69637. In the interest of Levi Douglas, all parties and witnesses, please unmute yourself and raise your right hand to be sworn.
Come.
You solemnly swear to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Yes.
Yes, I do.
All right, ma'am, please state your name and your relationship to the child.
My name is Alexis Douglas, and I'm Levi Douglas's mother.
All right, representing the Attorney General, State of Texas.
Savita Sharma for the state, Your Honor.
All right, and court will note that the non-custodial parent of Jerome Benjamin Edwards III, he's not present. He was personally served on November 8, 2021 at 3:18 p.m. at 5147 Potter Ridge Drive in Houston, Harris County, Texas. And he appeared and signed an order for parentage testing that contained therein an order setting the Zoom hearing for today, and he has not checked in. Is that correct, Ms. Sharma?
Your Honor, he did check in and requested more time to schedule the DNA testing. When we submitted the reset to him, he did not sign it, and our subsequent calls to him went unanswered, so we're proceeding with the default, Judge.
Okay, so he appeared earlier.
Yes, Judge.
All right, we'll proceed by default.
Yes, I would like to call Miss Lisa Edwards Livingston.
Okay.
Miss Livingston, please state your full name for the court.
Lisa Edwards Livingston,
And where are you currently employed?
State of Texas, the Attorney General's office.
What are your duties at the Attorney General's office?
Calculate child support, medical support, also calculate retroactive child support and conservatorship.
Thank you. Have you calculated support in this matter?
Yes.
What are your calculations for child support and medical support?
For child support, my calculations with Mr. Edwards's gross income was $2,586.28. His net resources, $2,147.71. Mr. Edward has two other children. One of the two children he's paying child support and medical support for, and under one order, under another case, he's only paying medical support for the other dependent. So I did give him credit for one additional children that he's obligated to support. After I did that, his child support amount for this child was $375 monthly. And the medical support, because the baby is receiving government medical support, is $77 monthly.
Thank you. And you stated you also calculate retro support. In this matter, was retroactive support needed?
No, retroactive support was not needed.
Thank you. Judge, I pass this witness.
Ms. Douglas, do you have any questions of Ms. Edward Livingston?
No, sir.
All right, may she be excused, Ms. Sharma?
Yes, Your Honor, she can be.
All right, you are excused, Ms. Edward Livingston. Thank you. All right, call your next witness.
I'd like to call Alexis Douglas, please.
Yeah.
Miss Douglas, how many children do you have?
One.
And how old is your child?
He's 17 months.
And who does your child live with?
Me,
And who is the father for your child?
Jerome Edwards.
How do you know he's the father?
We took a DNA testing when my baby was about 2 weeks old.
And was that done privately?
Yes.
Could anyone else possibly be the father?
No.
And are you currently married?
No.
Are you asking the court to establish a legal relationship between your child and Mr. Edwards and name him
Yeah.
as the father?
Yes.
You sound a little unsure. Are you asking the court to name Mr. Edwards as the biological father of your child? And are you asking the court to establish joint conservatorship between Mr. Edwards and the child and yourself?
The visitation, right?
We haven't gotten to the visitation yet. This is
Okay.
as far as conservatorship.
Can you explain me to exactly so I can know exactly what I'm saying yes to?
In the order that you sign for each parent to speak to each other regarding the health
Okay.
education?
Yes.
Yes,
Yes.
okay. And you said the child lives with you. Are you asking the court to allow you to maintain the child's primary residence?
Yes.
And you live in Harris County, correct?
Correct.
And as far as visitation, are you asking the court to allow 13 periods of phased-in periods of possession?
Correct. Yes.
And after that, you're requesting the standard first, third, and fifth weekend, correct?
Yes.
Where would you want pickup and drop off to be?
At 9318 Maralda.
Okay,
My
and
mom's
that's
house?
your mother's house?
Correct.
And are you willing to maintain the health insurance for the child?
Yes.
And you understand that Mr. Edwards will be ordered to reimburse that at $77 a month, correct?
Correct.
And you understand the court is going to set child support at $375 a month to begin
Correct.
on July 1?
Correct.
And you understand there's not going to be any retroactive medical, dental, or child support in this matter?
Yes.
And did you sign and approve this order today?
Yes.
And are you asking the court to approve this order?
Yes.
And as far as the address for yourself, are you asking the court to keep your address confidential?
Yes.
Because another party who's not in this case could cause you harm or harassment?
Yes.
Thank you, Judge. I pass this witness.
All right, the court will approve the order submitted. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Ms. Douglas. You are free to go.